what this is, it's using Claude Code. Any of you into vibe coding? I know some of you have heard of it. Do you know what vibe coding is? It's where you have absolutely no engineering background to develop an app, but you know how to use words. So you go to ChatGPT or Claude or Gemini and you ask it, hey, I have this idea. Would you be able to take this concept and turn it into an app for me? And guess what? It does the work for you. Imagine that. Okay, so here's what I have built. I was literally in that place where I'm like, I have this idea, and what you see here is actually, this is my terminal. But the terminal has Claude Code installed. There's two ways in which you can engage with Claude Code when it comes to vibe coding. One, you can do it in the desktop. There's a desktop version. You just go to cloudecode.ai. Or you install on your local machine and then you run it in the terminal. I love the terminal part because it's much faster and it has access to all my files. For example, in Cloud Desktop, I have to integrate, do an API connection, blah, blah, blah. Things that right now we're not gonna get into. However, this already has access to all of that.
Before we continue, I want to give a shout out to the team at Trifan Events. We are not just an event planning and production agency. We are focused on integrating innovative AV solutions, AI strategies, and wellness-focused practices through our Fit for Events framework. Whether you're planning live, virtual, or hybrid events, the team at Trifan Events is here to provide personalized planning, strategic design, and seamless technology management to ensure everything runs flawlessly. And now, we are offering AI-powered workshops to help you grow your business, build stronger teams, and elevate your events to the next level. If you want to learn more about how the team at Trifan Events can help make your event unforgettable, visit trifanevents.com.